You just wouldn't think that domestic violence would even be in the same sentence as my sister. Marilyn was always the brave one. She was an A student. Marilyn did her best and always giving 110% in everything that she did. She just wanted to be an extraordinary person. My name is Paris, and I'm a beauty advisor at Sephora. I really get to work one-on-one with clients and making sure that they leave happy. It's an environment that's a judge-free zone. Come and bring your wildest ideas. We're going to help you achieve them. Last year, I was really happy to see that Sephora invested in making the employees knowledgeable about domestic violence. I remember seeing a video last year where they actually had women come on and talk about what they were going through or what they've been through. My sister growing up was very protective over me. It was almost like she was like my second mom, honestly. She was just really my #1 fan, and especially as I got older, she just pushed me to be the person who I am today. My sister's life was cut short at age 28. She was on her way to work. My sister was 3 months pregnant, and she was shot and killed that morning getting into her car. My mom was at work, and the police came to her and they said, Marilyn's been involved in an accident. And she said, well, can I see her? 1 out of 4 women and 1 out of 7 men will experience domestic violence in their lifetime. It could be anybody. Even though she's gone, she's always inspiring me. And when I look at myself today, I mimic her. Even though she's not here, I know that she's always going to be cheering me on no matter what. And I can always hear my sister say, Paris, go get it. You're going to be something amazing one day. Today, I'm a strong Black woman. I'm confident in myself. I'm a go-getter, and I'm gonna keep working hard. I would tell my 11-year-old self, girl, stop being shy. Who cares if they can't hear you? Be loud, be proud, express it a different way. You're gonna be somebody, so start living in that now. Even though I've struggled with tragedy in my life, I feel like my sister has passed down the torch to me. Today I'm here to amplify my voice. With my sister behind me, there's nothing that I can't do.